Welcome to the Seizario app. When you open Seizario, you will arrive at the home screen. From the home screen, you can turn on and off the seizure and fault detection services, and you can send instantaneous emergency messages to a list of chosen contacts with the activation and press of the emergency button. To configure Seizario and set up your emergency contacts, access the settings screen through the gear icon at the top of the screen. Simply enter their phone number or select them from your existing contacts. The contacts that are chosen will be notified when an emergency occurs and the alert is not disarmed, or when the emergency button is unlocked and pressed on the home screen. With detection services on, when an emergency is detected, an alarm notification will deploy.
Seizario suspects an emergency, please confirm or cancel. Emergency suspected, please confirm or cancel.
If you press cancel before the timer runs out, no emergency message will be sent.
Alert canceled.
If the alert notification is not canceled before the timer expires, an SMS alert will be sent to your emergency contacts.
Sending alert, sending alert.
After an emergency is detected and a message has been sent, a notification will appear that shows you the detected event in your journal. From here you can view the event, manage, or edit it. Another main feature of Seizario is the journal. To access it, you can select the Journal tab on the action bar. From here you can either share your existing journal entries with a doctor or caregiver, or view and manage your journal entries. Emergency scenarios that Seizario detects will automatically be logged in your journal. Additionally, you can add your own entries through the Addition button found in the journal view or on the bottom right of the home screen. Thank you for viewing the Seizario tutorial. We hope you enjoy the app and stay safe.